So, walking into the NCAFP Family Medicine Day, and yeah, follow with me. It's my first time here. I think it'll be fun, and I'll keep you guys posted.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind.
She's feeling kind of sick, but she's doing better. Here we are at the conference. We're going to be going into our first workshop.
Situation got upset when I stepped on a memory thought. I did it, come on, shine.
So, ECU is going to be doing suturing.
I feel that you are. Bum, bum, bum. I wish you fall out from the window, take a bad trip to the ground. Ooh. Anything with pleasure, see your pressure just before you break a bone.
Here are the different sessions. Oh, well, this is just like a thank you. Another session. And there's more. This is just our ECU. Come to our booth.
You're reflecting, I'm deflecting, burning tires to move on. Too many noises, clash of choices, future came and left like ghosts.
All right, so it is now 5:50 and we just set up our booth for the recruitment fair, and there's still workshops going on, but they should be done in like about, I don't know, like around 6:15, and then we get to talk to the medical students, to talk to them about our program, and hopefully encourage their interest in family medicine. So it was a pretty interesting day overall. It was kind of fun seeing all the lighthearted and rose-colored glasses medical students all super excited. But yeah, it just kind of reminds you of how tired you are. But otherwise it was cool. We're just gonna be talking to whoever comes to our booth and then gonna be heading back home. All right, hopefully this was kind of interesting. If not, see you in the next one.